Hello everyone, this is Online Learning Management System. Myself Megha Nanhi, and today's topic is TreeView Control in Visual Basic. Let's see the course objective. Course objective is students will be able to use custom controls to build an application. And the learning objectives are, after this lecture, the student will be able to know the various custom controls in Visual Basic, as well as the student will be able to use custom controls as per the requirement in Visual Basic. Now, first we will see what do you mean by custom control. Custom control, it is also known as Microsoft Windows Common Control 6.0. Even these are extrinsic control also. Now, what do you mean by extrinsic control? As we have seen in the toolbox, some controls like command button, label, text box. So these controls are already stored in the toolbox. So these controls are known as intrinsic control. Whereas extrinsic control means those controls which are not available inside the toolbox, but we can make it available externally inside the toolbox. So those controls are known as extrinsic control. So to add these extrinsic control inside the toolbox, we have to go to project menu, then choose components, then one dialog box will appear. So this will be a dialog box. This dialog box is known as components. So this list is nothing but the number of components. So when we can say that this is the component library. So to make it available inside the toolbox, we have to choose component, that is Microsoft Windows Common Control 6.0 SPC. As you can see in this picture, I have chosen this. So you can see that right now. So it means that I have chosen this component. Then click on OK and you will get toolbox and you can see the various custom controls added. So after the OLE control, the rest of the controls are known as extrinsic control. Now, finally, we will see TreeView Control. According to its name, this control is used to view the data or files in a tree structure format. Now, we will see in detail. A TreeView control displays a hierarchical list of node objects, each of which consists of a label and an optional bitmap. A tree view is typically used to display the headings in a document, the entries in an index, the files and directories on a disk, or any other kind of information that might usefully be displayed as a hierarchy. So these number of data we can view using TreeView control. And the first point says that it is used to show hierarchical list of node objects which consist of a label and an optional bitmap. It means this TreeView control will show the data in a hierarchical format, but with the image, means with an icon and with a caption. Now we will see how to use TreeView control in Visual Basic. For that purpose, I have to open standard exe form. Now we will open and will access TreeView control. Now I have opened standard exe form. Here you can see in the toolbox, I have already added extrinsic control by choosing components, but still again, we will see the step by step. So for that purpose, go to project menu, then choose components. Then from this components library, you have to pick Microsoft Windows Common Control 6.0 here, and then click on OK. So you will get this extrinsic control inside the toolbox. Now we are talking about TreeView control. So for that purpose, we have to choose TreeView control. So this icon represents TreeView. So I have added TreeView control. Now next what we will do, first of all, that we have seen that TreeView control is used to show the list of files, directories, or any other document. So for that purpose, we need some data so we can make it that in a TreeView structure. So for right now, I don't have particular data, so we will take images. So if you want to access images, you have to choose image list. So here I will choose image list. So I will store images here and then I will access these images in the TreeView structure to show it in a TreeView format. So first we will add images. So right click on this. So after right clicking, so let's choose this option, then images, then click on insert picture. So we will choose any three images. So I'm taking these three images. So my images has been added. Now here we will give key. Now key means why we are added these three images. Now what we will do. So first thing, so this jellyfish that I will consider here, it is a parent node, and then two things that will make its child node. So this is our purpose. So for that purpose, we will allot here key. So here let's consider that it is a book. So instead of book icon, I have taken jellyfish. So let's take an example, that is books. So I have two books. So this is key. Then second here, I will allot it that I have two books. First book I have for which is related to financial accounting. So first book is related to financial accounting, and second is related to visual basic. So what is the purpose that we are considering that this books is a parent node and these two books is a child node of this book. Then click on OK. So we have added images. Now we will set the properties of TreeView Control. So again right click, so you will get these properties. So first of all, we will choose line style, that two root lines we want, and then we have taken image list. So from this I will connect this tree view with the image list. So I have taken image list. Then again we have font. So here you can see in the design view it has been changes, and then picture no need. Then click on OK. So here in design view you can see, and so first we will run this program and we'll see. So this is form 7, then OK, and then just see. So right now it is blank because we have connected this tree view with the image list, but we haven't write any code to add or load these images in this tree view structure. So it will be visible only at the time of design view. Now we will write here one code to display this images which is stored in the image list inside this tree view structure. So for that purpose, we will write here code. Now what we want that when my form get load, so I should get this kind of a structure. So for that purpose, we will write code on the load event, on the form's load event. So first, we will declare here some variables. So I'm using public variables. For that purpose, I will use keyword public. Now we are going to create node because when this concept comes with a tree, so we use word that is node. So here I will write that is node 1 as node because we are creating here nodes. Now similarly, we have added 3 data items. For that purpose, we will take 3 node as a variable. That is node 2 as node. And node 3 as node. So I have declared this public variable by using public keyword. Now we will add here, now we will write a code to display the parent node with its child node. And we have, instead of icon, we have added here images, but our parent node will be that is books, and its child node will be financial accounting and visual basic. That books contain 2 sub items. Now we will write here code. So first, that is set node 1 equals to tree view 1 dot nodes dot add, then in bracket. Now the first is asking that is relative. So this first statement is about, we are setting here node 1, we are setting here node 1 as a tree view 1 nodes. So first we are storing here parent node in the node 1. So there is no relative of parent node, even there is no relationship. So here we have that is key. So in double quotes I will write my key name is that is books, because this is our parent node. So initially this parent node doesn't have any relative or relationship. Now then comma, now our text will be was books. So I will add here that is books. Then comma, so our image that is 1. So here I have added like this. There is no double quote. Now it's completed. Now similarly we will do with the other nodes too, that is node 2 equals to TreeView1 dot nodes dot add method. Now here the relative is, who is relative? Relative is parent, that is books. Then comma, what is the relationship? That they are child. So here I will do that is child, TVW child. Then comma, what was the key? Key was financial accounting. So key was financial accounting. Then comma, and text was, so we don't have any text, so leave it blank. And index was that is 2. Now similarly I'll just copy paste this, and instead of node 2 I will write, so what we are doing, we are creating as well as we are storing all this data in the nodes. Now here again parent will be books, then instead of again it will be a child, and it will be a visual basic, and image that is third, that is index is third. Now we have done with the coding. Now we will run this program and let's see. So here we can see that jellyfish we have considered as a parent whose name is books. Now I click here. So we got this cola and lighthouse. So there, what is missing here? Here missing is their caption. Caption, or similarly we can see that that is text. So here we will check our code. So this was our relationship, then this is our key, and then text. So similarly we will add one, that we are not writing here key, we want just text. So now we got this. So key was Visual Basic, and even text will be same, and then image, image is 3. Similarly we will make, we'll copy text here also. So our key is same. Now we will run this. So here we got the perfect output. So here by seeing this also we can see that this is our parent node and these are our child. So it contains two items, that is financial accounting and mutual casing. So this is about TreeView structure. Thank you.